This video is related to how to repair Windows. Plug the USB into your computer before starting. To boot your computer from a USB, power it on and simultaneously press the boot key to access the boot menu. You can find the specific boot key for your PC brand by searching online or consulting the provided documentation. Common keys include F12, F11, F2, ESC, or DEL. Once in the boot device menu, select the USB. Now, we have accessed the boot menu. If you cannot access this menu, please refer to the video guide titled How to Disable Secure Boot. Choose to boot in normal mode, or if any errors occur, select Vim boot mode. Ensure that your current Windows version matches the one already installed, whether it's 64-bit or 32-bit. Most computers use the 64-bit version. Select Repair your computer. Select Troubleshoot and click Startup Repair. Now diagnosing your PC. This process may take some time. The diagnosis is complete, and no issues were detected on my PC. A diagnostic log has been created to assess the PC's condition. To view the log, I will run the PC normally and show you what it looks like. I followed the file location indicated on the previous screen. As you can see here, there are no errors in the log.